teacher is back today with a new letter. But before teacher starts teaching you the new letter, let's revise the letter that we did previously. And which is the letter that we did previously? Do you all remember the letter, the last letter that we did? No? Okay, it's okay. If you don't remember, it is fine because teacher is going to revise the letter. So the letter that we did was letter A. Which letter? A. Now let's revise the letter A with A pictures. Are you all ready? Okay. This is letter A. Slanting line up, slanting line down and a small sleeping line. This is letter A. Which letter? A. Say A. A. Okay, now which are the pictures for letter A? Which is the fruit that starts with the letter A? Yes, it's an apple. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. This is letter A. Say A for apple. A for apple. Which is the next picture for letter A? We see it in the sky. It flies in the sky. What is it? Yes, it's an aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A aeroplane. A aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Say A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. The next picture is A for axe. This axe is used to cut wood. Axe is used to cut wood. This is an axe. Say A for axe. We cut trees with it. We cut wood with it. Yes, this is axe. What is this? Axe. Say A for axe. A for axe. Which is the next picture? A for. Tell me, think. Yes, the next picture is arrow. The next picture is arrow. Which is the next picture? Arrow. Which is the next picture? Arrow. A for arrow. A for arrow. Say A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for axe. And A for arrow. A apple. A aeroplane. A axe. And A arrow. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for axe. And A for arrow. So we have revised the letter that we did previously. The last letter that we did was letter A. Now we will learn the new letter. We are going to know which is that letter. Okay. That letter is letter M. Standing line up, slanting line down, slanting line up and standing line down. This is letter M. Which letter? M. You go up, standing line, come down, slanting line, go up, slanting line and come down, standing line. This is letter M. Which letter? M. Okay. You all must have eaten this fruit in the summer season. Which is that fruit? It is yellow in color. Yes, it's a mango. M for mango. M for mango. Say M for mango. M mango. Now, which is the next picture? This is an animal that jumps from one tree to another and he loves eating banana. Which is that animal that jumps from one tree to another? Yes, it's a monkey. M for monkey. M for birthday party, you remember you get those masks that you put on your face, animal mask, tiger, lion, you get Chhota Bheem mask. It's called mask. M for mask. Say M for mango, M for monkey, M for mat, and M for mask. M mango, M monkey, M mat, M mask. So today we learned a new letter, that is letter M. Which letter? M. You go up, standing line, down slanting line, up slanting line, down standing line. So this is letter M. Say M mango, M monkey, M mask, and M mat. Okay kids? So kids, now we will learn how to write the letter M. So to write the letter M, you have to get your blank book, English blank book, and sit in front of the screen. Come on, go fast. Tell your mama and papa to give you the blank book and come and sit with the brown color. Which color? Brown color. Take your brown color, come and sit in front of the screen. Teacher is going to count till number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Everybody is in front of the screen? Okay, now take a brown color in your hand and we will start writing the letter M. You have to follow the teacher's instructions and you will write the way she is writing. Okay kids? Parents, if your child is not able to write, you can help your child to write the first line and the second line. Now kids, let's start writing the letter M. You will go up, standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line and come down standing line. This is letter M. This is letter M. Let's write the letter again. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Letter M. Come on, let's write it last time. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Letter M. Again. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Letter M. Let's write again. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Again, let's write. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Letter M. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Letter M. Come on, last line. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Letter M. Again. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Letter M. Again. Go up standing line, come down slanting line, go up slanting line, come down standing line. Letter M. Parents, you have to teach your child to write this M. Up, down, up, down. You will not teach your child this M. Up, down, up, down. No, this M is wrong. Both the slanting lines should come till down. In between, you are not supposed to stop. They will come down, go up and down. This M. Up, slanting line, up, slanting line, down, standing line. This M is correct. This M is wrong. Okay, parents? So, kids, we have learned to write letter M today. I want you to practice this as classwork. Classwork and also in the homework book. So for now, bye.